Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto has announced the release of small loans to 2,000 residents. The loans will be released under the city government's Tulong at Pampuhunang Ayuda sa Taga-Pasig or TAPAT program. TAPAT has a budget of 200 million pesos. There are 3 types of zero-interest loans under the program. Balik Trabaho offers 5,000 peso loan for residents who lost their jobs during the COVID-19 crisis. Bagong Negosyo and Balik Trabaho both offer 10,000 peso loan packages for entrepreneurs.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.